Hi everyone, Dr. Packer here, and this is Krista. She's been with us for about a month. We were talking because she's been doing some shockwave therapy with me, and I wanted to get her perspective on how she's been improving since she started. So tell us a little bit about what brought you in and what's been going on since you started.
Well, what brought me in, first of all, I happened to see the ad on Facebook, and it was close by, and I really wanted to get hooked up with a chiropractor that could offer massage therapy.
Okay.
That was originally what attracted me. So I figured, I get adjusted and I can get...
I actually didn't know that. I thought you came in for shockwave.
No. The girls, Christine actually kind of told me about it, and I started reading up on it. I'm like, that sounds really different.
Okay.
Like, I've tried so many different things. I've had so many tests done, to try to figure out why I have inflammation in my body. I've changed the way that I eat. I've eliminated dairy. I've eliminated gluten. I eat a lot of protein, a lot of vegetables. Just completely changed things. And it was helping. I even tried red light therapy. And all of that, it kind of seemed to help a little bit, but nothing really gave me that, wow, pain-free days. Like, I wasn't having any pain-free days for months.
So that was one thing we talked about. You were really struggling, even just to sleep and wake up.
Yes.
So once we started doing Shockwave, which has been a pretty rapid treatment for you, how have you been sleeping? How have you been going day to day?
I have to say, it has been like night and day. It literally has. I'm like amazed by it because, like I was saying, nothing really ever worked before.
Yeah.
And the first treatment I had, I have to say that night I did have some pain, but I think my body was just like, it was just reacting to it,
Sure.
Some things were
a
changing.
breakdown happens, yeah.
And that night I was struggling a little bit, but the next morning I woke up. I had no pain in my feet. I had no pain in my hands. I had no pain in my hips. And I have not been pain-free. I honestly can't even say how long it's been.
So if someone were to run into you, kind of giving you the same rundown, like, complaining about there are things going on, do you think Shockwave is something that would come first to mind, outside of just the chiropractic treatment that you've been getting as well?
Absolutely, and I've already been doing it.
Awesome.
I've told my family, I've told my friends, I'm like, you guys, you have no idea, because my family knows about my medical history, and they see me struggle. And especially my husband, and he's like laughing his butt off, like seeing me dance around, and like I haven't been able to do that in such a long time. So it really is so important to me that, and I'm so happy that I found you guys, but it's so important to me just to keep up with this, with the care that I'm getting here at Tucker, and I'm just so elated that I found something that really, really works.
Well, obviously you and I have been spending time together doing Shockwave, getting adjusted, so I've heard you plenty of times talk about how much this helps, so I'm just so happy that in the short period of time you've gotten that. If you have any questions about Shockwave, please feel free to call the office and let us know, but thanks so much for giving us a little...
Absolutely, I'm happy to do it.
Awesome. See you next time.